राहुल गांधी ने दावा किया था कि मोदी हुकूमत की गलत पॉलिसियों की वजह से पाक चीन करीब आ रहे हैं। राहुल गांधी के दावे पर अमरीकी महकमा खारजा का रद्द अमल सामने आया है। अमरीकी महकमा खारजा के तर्जुमान ने कहा कि मैं इन तफसीरों की हिमायत नहीं करूंगा।
He made a remark in the Indian Parliament today, stating that it is due to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's ineffective foreign policies that Pakistan and China are closer than ever. Does the State Department agree with that assessment?
I will leave it to the Pakistanis and the PRC to speak to their relationship. I certainly would not endorse those remarks.
Okay, and follow up to that. Why do you think Pakistan is working so closely with China? I mean, do you think they feel abandoned by the U.S.?
We've made the point all along that it is not a requirement for any country around the world to choose between the United States and China. It is our intention to provide choices to countries when it comes to what the relationship with the United States looks like. And we think partnership with the United States conveys a series of advantages that countries typically would not find when it comes to the sorts of partnerships that partnerships may be the wrong term, the sorts of relationships that the PRC has sought to have around the world. Pakistan is a strategic partner of the United States. We have an important relationship with the government in Islamabad, and it's a relationship that we value across a number of fronts.
कोरोना वबा के दौरान बाहमी इमदाद